glad that making our own video or our own vlog is part of this final requirement in this subject. And you know, it's quite easy because I already made my own videos and uploaded my own content on my YouTube channel. That's why if you are watching this, kindly smash the subscribe button and let's be mutual. Wait, I forgot, nahulog yung towel ko. Got it. Anyways, my hobbies are playing instrument like keyboard. Actually, I played that instrument for about 2 years in our church, and later I will tell you what is my role in that church. My second hobby is I play badminton before the pandemic, and I also play online games during my free time. And of course, hindi mawawala yung hobby ko na pagdodrawing and pag-render ng aking mga books. Things I like? Well, of course, whenever I see things that are organized or in order. So, kasi nakikita ko yung mga bagay na maayos. Ayoko nang magulo. Hindi ako fan ng mga magugulong stuffs, ganon. Also, I like to know every meaning of a masterpiece. And especially kapag nakikita ko yung hard work na talagang pinaghirapan ng author or na artist yung isang painting or isang mural, yun yung mga gusto ko. For the things I don't like or I dislike, well, of course, yung mga bagay na rush or rush yung output, ganon. Because it shows off irresponsible and hindi marunong mag-manage ng time. Kaya ayoko sa mga ganon type of people or attitude of the people. That's why my closest friends are humble yet intelligent. We both help each other grow. Yun yung mga type kong friends. Now is about time to know what are my goals in life. I have 2 goals. The first one is the short term and the second one is the long term. The first one is I want to be fluent in English so that I could communicate to other people, especially if they are leaving to the other country.
Matatalo mo ako sa pagandahan. Pero sa pag-i-English, you is go home. You is cry. Is you loser.
The second one is, of course, I want to be an architect after these tons of plates given to us. Now is my dream for my family. I want to buy them our dream house. It is located near to us, near to our house right now. Yung subdivision malapit sa amin, ang pangalan is United Estates, and gusto ko makabili ng bahay mula sa pinaghirapan ko at sarili kong income. Next dream is for my church. I want to help our church building kasi may mga nakikita akong droplets of water or sign or cracks sa mga pader, and I want to help them by financially and giving advice kung ano pa yung proper tool and proper way kung paano ma-lessen or mawala yung problem na yun. And lastly is the dream for myself. I want to buy a new car, brand new car of course. Not just for myself but also for my family, especially for my parents. And syempre may edad na sila and malaki yung age gap namin ng mother ko. That's why I want to buy her yung car para hindi siya mahirapan when we go out and make a family bonding. And I think I can make it naman if I have a stable job because I am good in saving my own money. And with the help of the Lord because He provide our needs and yung mga wealth dito sa lupa, hindi na ako naghahangad ng sobra. Just to help other people and to help my family to make them happy and hindi sila makaranas ng mga hirap dito. As long as I can, I will give them a better life. Now is the place or the role in the society. Well, currently I am a student in the MCL, and aside from that, I am a youth minister and music minister in our church. Nagtitrain kami ng mga kabataan to be a future leader sa ating bansa, and of course not just for our nation but for the house of Jesus, na magkaroon pa ng mga or mag-multiply yung mga leaders and Christians sa ating bansa. As what I've mentioned earlier, the contribution or the offer I can give for this society is a training for the youth. As part of the youth minister in our church, I want to help other kabataan na mag-think on what is good para makapag-decide sila ng maayos and mapunta sila sa maganda ding landas. Hindi yung magde-decide sila for themselves. Yung akala nila it is good on which hindi naman talaga kasi they are kulang sa pag-guide. Kaya ayun, yung gusto kong makontribute sa mga kabataan is to guide them and train them sa pag-decision. And dito na po nagtatapos ang aking maikling pagpapakilala sa aking sarili, and I hope you know me more, and thank you for listening. Pupuy!